Hello everyone, in today's video, I will show you how to make online purchases using Klarna's flexible payment plan. Now if you don't have one already, download the Klarna app or visit the website to create an account. You will need to provide your basic information and link a payment method like a debit or credit card. While shopping online, add your items to the cart and proceed to checkout. When you reach the payment section, look for Klarna as a payment option and select it. Klarna offers several payment options. You can pay in full, split the cost into 4 payments, or use financing to pay over time. Pick the plan that works best for you. After selecting your payment plan, confirm your purchase. Klarna will automatically charge your linked payment method according to the schedule you have selected. You can track your payment schedule through the Klarna app, where you will also receive reminders when a payment is due. And that's it. You have successfully made an online purchase using Klarna's payment plan. Now if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.